morning and Assalamu alaikum. Please open your book of New Oxford Modern English. Open page number 39. Today our topic is grandma. First of all, kindly tell me, do you live with your grandparents? Do you live with your grandparents or not? Do you visit your grandparents? Do you take care of them or not? I live with my grandparents. I love them. I take care of them. I give medicines to them. I know about the likes and dislikes of my grandparents. Okay students, what are you seeing in this picture? A woman, an old woman is sitting on this chair. This is a rocking chair in which grandma is sitting. Let's start reading of lesson grandma. Grandma is sitting in her rocking chair. She is rocking slowly, forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. The rocking chair is making a noise. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Grandma shuts her eyes. John, Sarah, Tom and Jill come into the room. They can hear the rocking chair. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Now look at grandma. This is grandma and she is sitting in her rocking chair. First of all, I am showing you what is rocking chair, which kind of sound rocking chair is making. Rocking chair is making creak, squeak, creak, squeak, and this chair moves and goes forwards and backwards. This is rocking chair, and rocking chair moves forwards and backwards like this way. When this chair moves, it makes sound like this way. Creak, squeak. It is. Grandma's eyes are shut. You are seeing Sarah, Tom and Jill. Look at these children. They come into the room and looking at grandma. Her eyes are shut. The children look at grandma. Grandma's eyes are shut. The children giggle. The children giggle means to laugh in a silly way. Grandma opens one eye. She smiles. Are you tired, grandma? John asks. The rocking chair does not stop rocking. Please tell us, grandma says. Jill, what can we do? John is asking to grandma, are you tired or not? Please tell us, grandma, says Jill. What can we do? He is asking, what can we do? What can you do? Asks grandma. What can you do? Grandma smiles. You can do anything, she says. You can write, you can read, you can play, you can sing, you can dance. Can you dance, grandma? Asks Tom. Grandma is saying that this kind of work you can do. Tom is saying, can you dance, grandma? No, 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 says grandma. My bones are old, because grandma cannot dance because her bones are weak, her bones are old. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. Can you fly, Grandma? asked Jill. Can you jump over the moon? Grandma asked John. Can you ride a cycle? Grandma asked Sarah. Sarah is asking, can you ride this bicycle? John is asking, can you jump over the moon? These children are asking to Grandma. The rocking chair stops rocking. Can you see a bird in that tree? Asks Grandma. Yes, say the children. Good, says Grandma. Now fly away and play with it. The children run away. Grandma smiles. The rocking chair starts rocking. Creak, squeak, creak, squeak. In this paragraph, Grandma is saying to children, go and play outside. There is a bird. You can play with bird and go outside and play with bird. You can do back exercise like this way. This word is called and tall. These are question answers. Answer these questions of Grandma. Complete this like this way. Thank you so much.